Hi guys, good morning and welcome. The headline here says, between Roksie, Doublechris, Bolar and ultimate love couple Iykeresa, who do you think is doing perfectly fine? Since the end of Ultimate Love Season 1, a whole lot of things has changed in the life of the housemates. Things are no longer the same as it was when they were in the love pad. Life at the love pad was like a programmed world with lot of restrictions and ways of doing things. So far, Roksie, Doublechris, Bolar and Iykeresa seem to be the only couple that are trending so hard with daily information and gist to entertain their followers. I'm not saying that the other housemates are not doing perfectly fine, but no new information about them has surfaced online for long now. Let's take a look at latest concerning Roksie, Doublechris, Bolar and Iykeresa of the Ultimate Love show. Ultimate Love Roksie, which comprises of Kachi and Roskie, so far is the most talked about housemates. Not only they emerged the winners of the show, they are also the only couple that are talking about marriage ever since the show ended. Their fan base is the highest as they are the only housemates with the high rates of followers on social media. Roskie and Kachi still remain the only housemates that had 2,022 viewers on their live broadcast without the help of already known celebrities. Their love stories is inspiring and daily do they share lovely and emotional words to help build the love life of their followers. Doublechris, which is Chris and Chrisville, are currently trending more than they were doing when they were in the love pad. Doublechris' family are fighting to remain on the trending list as their love grows rapidly. Nobody would believe that Chris and Chrisville would be the couple worth emulating because of the way things started unfolding between them. They started as friends and now they are a couple that can't stay a day without talking about each other on social media. Chris and Chrisville surely proved that love has nothing to do with age, facial love or one life history. Doublechris are indeed a role model and icon. Ultimate Love Bolar. Ultimate Love Bolar is a couple name given to Bolanle and Arnold during the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love. Bolar and Arnold are also trending and currently doing perfectly fine with lots of photos they share online daily to entertain their viewers. Although Nigerians dragged Bolar a few days ago for sharing a photo that made her look so aged. In all, Arnold is still showering Bolar with lots of love, more than what the world expected because he referred Bolar as a tax during the love show. And lastly, Ultimate Love Iykeresa. On the other hand, Iykeresa are doing perfectly well too, irrespective of all the odds. They have also released numerous new photos to show that they are doing fine as a couple with lot of love. Recently, Nigerians dragged Iykeresa for accusing the organizers of Ultimate Love show for depriving them their first position and gave it to Roskie and Kachi. That statement only made Nigerians to talk less of Iykeresa and Ike, while a lot of people felt disappointed. Roksie, Doublechris, Bolar and Iykeresa are doing perfectly fine from all indications, but between them, who do you think is better than the other? Kindly use the comment box and drop your opinion. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.